Employee contracts are essential documents that outline the terms of employment between an employer and an employee. However, not all clauses in these contracts are legal. Certain clauses may violate labor laws or infringe upon an employee's rights. It's crucial for both employers and employees to understand what clauses are illegal to ensure fair and legal employment practices. Illegal clauses in employee contracts. 1. Non-compete agreements. Non-compete agreements are clauses that restrict an employee's ability to work for a competitor or start a competing business for a certain period after leaving their current job. While non-compete agreements are legal in some jurisdictions, they must be reasonable in terms of duration, geographic scope, and the nature of the work. Excessive restrictions may be deemed illegal and unenforceable. 2. Wage deductions. Employers are prohibited from making unauthorized deductions from an employee's wages. Deductions for items such as uniforms, tools, or damages are generally illegal unless authorized by law or agreed upon in writing by the employee. 3. Unpaid. Overtime. Employees are entitled to overtime pay for hours worked beyond the standard workweek. Any clause in an employment contract that waives this right or fails to provide overtime pay is illegal. 4. Discriminatory clauses. Clauses that discriminate against employees based on protected characteristics such as race, gender, age, religion, or disability are illegal. This includes clauses that require employees to waive their rights to file discrimination claims. 5. Unfair termination clauses. Employment contracts may include termination clauses that are illegal if they violate labor laws or public policy. For example, a clause that allows an employer to terminate an employee without cause or notice may be deemed illegal. 6. Confidentiality. Clauses. While confidentiality clauses are common in employment contracts, they must be reasonable in scope and duration. Clauses that unreasonably restrict an employee's ability to discuss their working conditions or report unlawful conduct may be illegal. 7. Forced arbitration clauses. Some employment contracts include clauses that require employees to resolve disputes through arbitration rather than through the courts. While arbitration can be a valid alternative to litigation, forced arbitration clauses that deprive employees of their legal rights may be illegal. Illegal clauses in employee contracts can have serious consequences for both employers and employees. Employers may face legal penalties, while employees may be deprived of their rights. It's essential for both parties to understand their rights and obligations under the law and to ensure that employment contracts comply with legal requirements. Consulting with legal professionals can help ensure that contracts are fair, legal, and enforceable.